In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out your Facebook account on other devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to menu. Then tap at that gear to head over to the settings and privacy, and after that we need to tap at see more in account center to head over to meta account center, where we can easily find password and security option. Oh, sorry guys, we need to tap at password and security, and that's where just under security checks we can find where you are logged in. On the next step, we need to choose our Facebook account, and then we'll be taken to the page where we can see our current device. In my case, this is iPhone 15 Pro, which you can see right now on the table, and also down below it shows us another devices. Here is my another iPhone, and here is login session on Windows PC. And from here we can easily log out our account from any device. To do that, just tap right here at select devices to log out, and on the next step we can choose one of them or several of them, or we can hit at select all to select all the devices, and after that just tap right here at logout to immediately log out your Facebook account from all the selected devices. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.